Are you looking for exceptional HVAC services in Marathahalli, Bangalore? Look no further. SCON Design India Private Ltd is here to provide you with top-notch HVAC systems and services that will exceed your expectations. With their extensive experience and expertise in the field, they are the go-to company for all your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning needs. SCON Design India Private Ltd takes pride in delivering the highest quality HVAC services in Marathahalli, Bangalore. Whether you need installation, repair, maintenance, or replacement of your HVAC system, their team of skilled technicians is ready to assist you. They understand the importance of having a properly functioning HVAC system for your comfort and well-being, and they make it their mission to ensure that you receive the best possible service. What sets SCON Design India Private Ltd apart from other HVAC service providers is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They go above and beyond to understand your specific requirements and provide customized solutions that meet your needs perfectly. From the initial consultation to the final installation or repair, their team will work closely with you to ensure that every aspect of the project is handled with utmost professionalism and attention to detail. SCON Design India Private Ltd is known for its reliability and efficiency in delivering HVAC services in Marathahalli, Bangalore. They use only the latest technologies and high-quality materials to ensure that your HVAC system operates at its peak performance. Their team of experts is well-versed in the industry's best practices and follows strict guidelines to deliver exceptional results that are built to last. When you choose SCON Design India Private Ltd for your HVAC services in Marathahalli, Bangalore, you can expect prompt and reliable service every time. Are you in need of top-notch plumbing services for your building in Marathahalli, Bangalore? Look no further because SCON Design India Private Ltd is here to cater to all your plumbing needs. With their expert team of plumbers and their commitment to delivering excellent service, you can be confident that your plumbing problems will be solved efficiently and effectively. SCON Design India Private Ltd is a renowned company known for their exceptional plumbing services. They have been serving the Marathahalli area for several years and have earned a reputation for their reliability and professionalism. Whether you have a minor leak or a major plumbing issue, their team of experts is equipped with the knowledge and tools to handle any job. What sets SCON Design India Private Ltd apart from other plumbing companies is their dedication to customer satisfaction. They understand that plumbing problems can be stressful and disruptive, which is why they strive to provide a seamless experience for their clients. From the moment you contact them to the completion of the job, they will ensure that you are informed and involved every step of the way. SCON Design India Private Ltd offers a wide range